You want to turn that way? But then Daddy can't see your face. Here we go. Oh, splash.
Oh, he splashed his face.
There we go. There we go.
Oh! Everyone sees our flaking paint bathtub now.
That's okay.
Can't see nothing. There we go.
Yes, we like this. That's a big boy.
I just got wet.
Well, surprisingly, he doesn't get near as wet in years he did in the other little tub.
He
He's
what?
trying to stand up. He's like, I'm just going to stand up on my own. You don't stand up in the tub. That's not safe. That's a good way to fall down. Look at him. He's seriously trying to stand up.
He's trying, isn't he?
What do you think you're doing? You haven't been trying that outside of the tub. Now you're in the tub and you want to stand up? Are you trying to tell me you're ready to get out? I don't know. I don't know. I'm getting full again, huh? This is why we have to take baths at the end of the day, because Mom gets soaked. Hi.
Look at that big old belly on him.
It's a poop belly. No, I'm not going to let you stand up, because then you're going to think it's okay. Oh. Sit down.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Hello.